physically was in there, listening to how he conducted it.
Okay, so
Doubt is going to
there were some claims by the PW1 about the radio station. You are from the diaspora. How do you react to that?
Well, it's quite unfortunate that we have not woken up to understand that you cannot just arrest people because they have equipment on them. When the interview was going on, the leader of IPOB was mentioning in that particular interview that he was just broadcasting, telling the world about what the British government is doing. And there's nothing wrong with him telling the world that we deserve our rights and we deserve what is in London over here. To be treated fairly, to have what they have, whatever they enjoy, we need to enjoy it in this country. We don't have to be fighting each other. I think that's what he was trying to communicate.
All right. Thank you very much.
I appreciate it.
Your name, sir? Your name and destination.
My name is Dr. Sylvester Onya, President of American Veterans of Igbo Descent.
All right.
Military.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.